Hello everybody and welcome back to Shib Kai. Visa Shiba Inu is one of the most well-known names in memic coins and Ethereum alternatives to Dogecoin. Shiba Inu has been struggling because its price dropped more than 88% from its all-time high. The price of Shiba Inu has been rising for a few days now after going down many times. In fact, the price of Shiba Inu has increased 3.6% in the last 24 hours. This occurred after Satoshi Kusama, the primary developer of Shiba Inu, revealed the long-awaited release of Shib, the platform's Layer 2 blockchain. Kusama said in a tweet that Shib would be out shortly after the new year, which caused the price of Shiba Inu to increase. It will take time to determine whether this increase in Shiba Inu will last. In this video, we'll discuss how Shiba Inu coin is killing Visa. Please share the channel and subscribe if you want to watch our newest videos regarding Shiba Inu's price forecasts and expert analysis. Don't forget to give it a thumbs up. The Shiba Inu has performed well in the first 5 days of the new year and has made about 6% in returns over the last 30 days, but it is still down 9% because the current rise hasn't been sufficient to make up for the bad month of December, according to Bank. Let's start the video now and see what the Shiba Inu does on January 6th. Shiba Inu prices have increased by 3% in the past 24 hours. The the development team has been very active on Twitter, talking extensively about the eagerly anticipated event. In particular, the team dispelled rumors that various Acer tokens were required to place a winning bid on the Collar network in Shib. The team also revealed that Shib is part of the Shib assemblage and that it was the basis for a new portion of the evolving Shib arsenic environment on Friday. Developers claim that BON is still the only money used for state fees and daily use. Indicators of the U.S. economy led many to desire higher-risk investments based on the U.S. jobs report and the ISM non-manufacturing PMI. There is a high possibility that the Fed will increase interest rates in February. There was a 2.56% increase in the Nasdaq index and a 2.28% increase in the S&P 500 due to a change in public opinion brought on by slower wage growth and a decline in the non-manufacturing sector. Investors are eagerly anticipating the Shib upgrade, which is making the event even better. The Shib network then stated that right now our focus is on delivery as we get closer to the beta launch. Please stay tuned for more information. To learn more about the protocol, please visit shib.net, and in their most recent update on the Shib upgrade, they stated that on their last post they wanted to remind everyone that BON is the necessary gas token for operation within the Shib, and that every Shib exchange will burn Shib. A bullish Shib morning session with greater burn rates was aided by the announcement. A whale shifted a massive Shib stat worth $28.7 million in the last 24 hours, which has damaged Shiba Inu by 3% because the mem currency had been rising for the first 5 days of 2023. Shib had an excellent start to the year, but the asset changed direction and is now almost completely back to where it was in terms of weekly profits. Although Shib investors are still 3% ahead of where they started, these gains are much smaller than the 7% value saw yesterday, which shows that the decline is reversing all the advancement the coin has lately achieved. It appears that neither the sender nor the receiver of this transaction knew their address names and addresses because these addresses aren't linked to any known centralized platform. It's possible that they are personal walled gardens. According to Whale Alert, a service that monitors cryptocurrency transactions, there was a significant Shiba Inu move on the Ethereum blockchain yesterday. There was a transfer of 3373 bill to 256 and 285 Shib, which was worth more than $28.7 million at the time of the according to Whale statistics. This new interest may be for selling, exactly like the whale from yesterday, but because trade began after the price had already started to decline, it would be preferable to buy instead. Shiba Inu, a very well-known meme coin, is about to get a technological boost that will change the game. The information was posted on the Shib network's official Twitter account on January 5th because the people who made it wanted to thank the community for getting people excited about the impending stage launch. Once the price of the Shiba Inu went above the 50-day moving average, the outlook for the price went up. The Shib development team also allayed concerns that it would require more than one gas tax ticket to cover transaction costs and that only bound shibaswap could be utilized. The fact that XF money would be the only token required to use the system made the engineers happy. The Shiba Inu's Layer 2 solution aims to give the ERC20 token its own community Shiba. Therefore, the team is also working to release the beta as soon as possible. As the army of Shiba Inus waited for Shib, recent news that some Shib code had been posted on GitHub caused the primary token in the Shiba Inu community to increase in value. For news events and other local activities, the Shib Army VIP app will be the place to go. Registered users can also use the layout's simplicity to find the most well-known Shib community. One member of the Shiba Inu group who was ahead of his time went even further and started a social networking site, Shib Dream VIP. It was founded by a member of the Shib Army. Famous Shiba Inu artist Satoshi Kusama, despite staying secret. Over 865,000 people follow Kusama on Twitter. On the other hand, Kusama intends to reveal his identity to the Shib Army. On December 28th, a user by the handle of ShibBPP tweeted an odd image in one of his most recent tweets. The image depicts a Discord chat that Kusama created where he